Hey, you. I know you want to be close, but let her rest, okay? Let her rest. Don't be messing with her. Let her sleep. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey, pretty eyes. Hey, Mama. You rest, okay? You're a good girl. You rest. Leave her be, okay? Let her rest. I know she is so needy right now. She just messing with you, won't let you rest. Leave her alone. She's making it all about you. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna position you different, okay? Here we go. Oh, yeah, you baby. Oh, here we go. Let's get nice and comfy. There we go. There we go. Now you lay back. Yes, there we go. Now you're nice and comfy. And you can be close and not mess with her.